Do you want the comfort and ease of a lift, but you don't want the extensive construction work? Allow us to introduce you to the Cibes lift, an affordable lift that fits in every building. These lifts do not require a pit, machine room, or roof structure, which saves space and money. The lift uses very low electricity, and its simple technology reduces the risk of failure. An annual inspection of the lift is not needed, and that means that the annual operating costs are 50% lower than for a traditional lift. A Cibes lift transports you up 7 stories with ease. It is accessible on 3 sides. You decide on which side the lift will open on each floor. That way you can make the best use of the space available. A Cibes lift is delivered with its own shaft and can be installed either in or outdoors. A range of dimensions and models are available. When it comes to design, the sky's the limit. From standard to luxury and everything in between. You decide which shaft, cabin, door, color, and material you want, or choose from one of our popular top designs. A Cibes lift is safe with much less risk of failure than the traditional lifts. Moreover, during power loss, the second engine can be powered up from inside the lift. If you still need our help, your lift has a direct connection with our service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. A Cibes lift meets the strict international safety requirements. We design, build, install, and maintain our lifts ourselves. That way, we can guarantee the quality and act quickly. Your lift can be realized within a month. Installation only takes 2 to 3 days. Experience the affordable compact lift that takes design, reliability, and ease of use to another level. The Cibes lift.